Hi guys, welcome back to another trading day. Good morning. First off, I want to start by saying thank you guys so much for all the support. We're at a total of 583 subs. I started posting consistently last month and we were at like 480, 490 subs. So we've almost gained all the way 100 up to 600 subs. So the goal for the end of this year is 1,000 subs. I've always wanted to hit 1,000, just never really grinded it out like I am right now. So we're gonna just stick to it. And like I say every video, you guys are going to see the whole process. Very transparent with you guys. Another thing is, let me know down in the comments below if you guys want me to start a Discord, a community Discord, just for overall personal growth and trading, for us all to come together, put heads together, and just improve ourselves overall. I've had a couple people comment and ask to join a Discord and stuff like that, and I think it's people seeing the journaling process I have through the Discord with my boy Tyler. If you guys would like something similar like that, I could try to put something together for you guys to journal your trades in the community. Also, we can have gym stuff in there, diets, anything like that, right? In the beginning of the trading today, I show you guys my indicators. I had a couple people also ask me what indicators I use, and they like how clean it is. I'm going to be showing you guys the indicators as well. So guys, these are the indicators I use. ICT, kill zones, pivots, DFO, I trade for OPP. And then we got time zone slash market sessions. There's those two, and then I have two EMAs. This is the buyers, and this is the sellers. Where's my, oh, it's not gonna get me in. Okay. A retest that got me in. Got stopped out. Yeah. I was trying to catch this right here because this gave me confluence that it's gonna go up, but I got in late and I couldn't really cancel it unless there's a way to cancel it through here. So I waited for the retest. The retest had a strong push down and with rejection and went back up. Thought it was gonna be good, but that's all right. All right, guys, we're gonna journal the trade. 11/21/2025, micro NAS, New York. Market was consolidating and created fair value gaps in SMTs. Swept buy side liquidity, breaking above the top fair value gap, giving me confluence that it could break up. Then it came back down and retested and respected the bottom fair value gap 7 different times. So 7 different wicks and candlesticks retesting this bottom fair value gap and had rejection at the time. Respecting that fair value gap, giving me confluence and bias to take a long targeting New York PM high, which is up here. I genuinely thought I was going to come down, retest, and go back up. Just had a breakup with consolidation. Would have still kept the bullish trend here. Even as low as here, not breaking below this, it would be a higher low. And then could create a higher high. That was my confluence and bias for the day. Did you follow your plan? Yes, I told myself what I was gonna do and I followed it. Had confluence to get in the trade, just was wrong about the markets, and there's no issue with that. That's gonna happen. I was confident with my trade and patient. I waited for the retest, and it retested a bunch of times. I saw a push up. Sadly, on the push up, it got me in after another retest, and then add continuation down. So I kind of missed my entry. Should have probably gotten out of that trade instead of taking the loss for 400 trying to hold it. So that's another thing I can add to this. Instead of trying to predict it. Also, if you see it reversing against your bias, don't force it and get out. That's another thing I could do. Because I saw it having continuation down here, here, and here, and I should have had enough candlestick analysis to know this is gonna break below. So could have gotten out earlier for a smaller loss, but minus 441 on the day. The P&L is at plus 806. So we were at a P&L of 2K, so we've lost a little over 1,000 in the past 2 days. Which I will say this trade kind of fucked me over a little bit. Reason being, I had my stop loss set for minus 400 and it tanked below right here. So that tank really took me out at 800, technically 400 over what I wanted to be risk. So that kind of sucks, but everything happens for a reason. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up today's trading. We did take an L today. That's okay, though. I don't know about you guys, but my mental is pretty strong when I take a good loss. Like today, I think was a good loss. It's easier for people to see from an outside perspective, oh, market's going to do this, market's going to do that. But based off of my rules and stuff like that, I waited for market to react and I waited for a respect of a fair value gap. It just swept sell side liquidity and buy side, like consolidating, broke that consolidation. So like there's a lot of influences that market was going to make a move. But I was wrong about when it was going to reverse. So all good though. We're going to bring this account back and pass this, and we are going to be funded December. We have a little over a week to pass this account. I want to pass this account by next week so that I can start the funded account, the funded challenge in December. Like I want to do it before Christmas personally, but I have my goals. So I set a bunch of goals for myself in my notes on my phone when I first started the trading journey. I've already completed three of those goals for my 2 to 4 month range. My last goal is to be funded by Christmas. We have all of December really to pass this account, but I would prefer to do it sooner and complete that goal and then start on my 6 to 1 year goals. That's what we're gonna do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I also hope you guys had good trades your guys' self, and then also I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next week.